Android fans were annoyed about the merged internet tile introduced in Android 12, and it looks like Google might finally be listening. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The upcoming Android 16 is set to separate Wi-Fi and mobile data toggles. This could save users countless taps and frustrations. Before Android 12, turning Wi-Fi or mobile data on and off was a one-tap affair in quick settings. The 2021 update combined them into a single internet tile which opens a broader panel to access Wi-Fi and mobile network options. While Google argued the change helped prevent accidental data usages since many users would leave Wi-Fi off and unknowingly burning mobile data, hardcore Android fans considered it a slowdown and a headache. Over the years, developers tried to recreate the classic separate toggles with apps, but most required special permissions, making them largely unusable for the average user. And it seemed like Google had no plans to reverse the unpopular interface decision until now. Hints of a fix have emerged in the Android open source project. Lineage OS lead developer Michael Bestas discovered code in Android 16 QPR2 hinting a split internet tile is in testing, bringing back individual buttons for Wi-Fi and mobile data. If Google keeps it, Android 16 could finally restore the quick, one-tap functionality that longtime users miss, turning everyday smartphone management from a minor annoyance into a smooth, efficient experience. After years of debate, Android fans may finally get the control they've been asking for. For more updates, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.